It can include stalking, doxing, hate speech, and identity theft. 7 common forms of cyberbullying and online harassment, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which is currently known as X, TikTok, and WhatsApp. 8th way, educate yourself and others. Educate yourself and others. Learn about online safety and spread awareness in schools, workplaces, and communities. Encourage responsible social media use. Protection of mental health and well-being, prevention of long-term emotional and psychological harm, creation of a safer online space for everyone. This is my understanding. What's yours? The third of 4 challenges: cyberbullying and online harassment. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying or harassment that happens online, usually through social media, messaging apps, emails, or gaming platforms. It includes spreading rumors, sending threats, sharing embarrassing photos, or making mean comments to hurt or humiliate someone. What is online harassment? Online harassment is repeated and aggressive behavior. Repeated and aggressive behavior intended to intimidate or harm someone using digital platforms. It can include stalking, doxing, hate speech, and identity theft. 7 common forms of cyberbullying and online harassment. The first one, trolling, posting offensive comments to provoke arguments. The second one, doxing, exposing private information to harm someone. The third one, catfishing, creating a fake identity to deceive others. The fourth one, impersonation, pretending to be someone else online. The fifth one, threats and intimidation, sending violent and harmful messages. The sixth one, spreading rumors, sharing false stories to ruin reputations. The seventh one, exclusion, deliberately leaving someone out of online groups. How to deal with cyberbullying and online harassment. The first way, do not engage. Do not engage. Avoid responding to bullies or harassers as they want attention. Engaging with them can escalate the situation. The second way, block and report. Block and report. Use the block and report options on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which is currently known as X, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Reporting helps remove harmful content and punish the abuser. The third way,
keep records. Keep records.
Take screenshots of the messages, comments, or posts as proof. This evidence can be used if legal action is required. Fourth way, strengthen privacy settings. Strengthen privacy settings. Adjust your social media settings to limit who can contact or see your posts. Avoid sharing personal information like your phone number, address, or daily location. Fifth way, talk to someone you trust. Talk to someone you trust. Discuss the issue with friends, family, teachers, or counselors. Schools and workplaces often have anti-cyberbullying policies to help. Sixth way, seek professional help. Seek professional help. If cyberbullying affects your mental health, talk to a therapist or seek support groups. Seventh way, report to authorities. Report to authorities. If threats become serious, death threats, stalking, or hacking, report them to local law enforcement or cybercrime units. Some countries have laws against cyberbullying that can result in legal action. Eighth way, educate yourself and others. Educate yourself and others. Learn about online safety and spread awareness in schools, workplaces, and communities. Encourage responsible social media use. Why is it important to stop cyberbullying? Why is it important to stop cyberbullying? First, it protects mental health and well-being. Second, prevents long-term emotional and psychological harm. Third, creates a safer online space for everyone. To me, stopping cyberbullying can result in all these three. Protection of mental health and well-being, prevention of long-term emotional and psychological harm, creation of a safer online space for everyone. This is my understanding. What's yours? Think about it. Thank you very much. With the next, the fourth of the social media challenges. See you soon, inshallah.
तुर गए यार दिलां दे जानी वतन चुक मुहारा उजड़ी बस्ती यारो नजरी आवे कंड कीती जद यारा